Hello friends, I'm Alexis Carrico, the creator of the Gym with Latin Classroom. And I created this class for my own children. My three wonderful children are homeschooled, and we decided together to dive into the Robert Henle textbook. I love the Robert Henle textbook. It's so filled with knowledge that we need in this day and age. But I also realized there were other people out there that might not have as much time as me, might not have the passion that I have, and might need some help. And that is why the Gym with Latin digital classroom was created. Now, our digital classroom includes student classes as well as director combo classes. Our classes are going to start with Gym with Latin Class A, which teaches the first year Robert Henle textbook, lessons 1 through 15. Class B teaches the same textbook, lessons 1 through 29, and Class C teaches, again, the first year textbook, lessons 1 through 42. We do that because in classical learning, we have found it is more important to layer Latin or layer information over a time period than to just rush right through it. When you layer information, it gets embedded into your brain, and then you can actually apply it when you are old enough to understand all the parts of the puzzle. Now, we do have Gym with Latin Class D and E, which teach the Robert Henle second and third year textbook, which is filled with translating. And that's my goal, for you to be able to walk through Rome and translate the Latin that you see. Now, we're going to talk about our director combo classes. All of the basic classes come in a director version. And this is so that you, the adult, can be successful and feel equipped either at home or in a community. Our adult classes have 7 to 8 hour, 1 hour college-style training videos. Each video is going to teach you a part of the Robert Henle textbook. There's also homework that I've taken out of the textbook in order to reinforce the lesson that I'm teaching that day. I've also created 30 weeks of lesson plans. Over the 30 weeks, you will be able to teach the lessons that are in your grade level. And each 1 hour lesson is filled with a supply list, a game, an exordium, and a walkthrough of the daily instruction of what you are going to teach your child or your class. Now, besides all that in your combo class, you're going to get 120 hours of student videos. Those videos are 8 minutes each so that your child doesn't get bored at home looking at Latin. And that little 8 minutes will teach them the grammar rule of the day as well as their vocabulary. The digital classroom also includes digital, instantly graded tests and quizzes, live Monday night Zooms where you can talk to me personally, and you can email me any time of day and I will also answer you personally. The Gym with Latin Classroom is here to help guide you, support you, give you advice, and let you grow in your knowledge. So, why am I here? Because I want you to love Latin as much as I do. So please go to gymwithlatin.com, find your class, and anytime you have a question, feel free to email me.